Never hire a roofer if they don't plan to vent your bathroom fans through the roof with the proper flashing when they do the roof replacement. Here are 3 reasons why. Number 1, bathroom fans that blow into your attic are one of the leading causes of mold and moisture for your attic and home. Even if your bathroom fan is directing air to a roof vent or a soffit vent, it can still cause moisture. That's why your bathroom fan should have a pipe connected to a vent like this that gets installed on the roof with a flap that opens when you kick on the fan and the flap closes with gravity when you turn off the fan. Number 2, the cheapest time to vent your bathrooms outside of your home is when you do a roof replacement. There should be no extra charge to vent your bathroom fans that are accessible from the attic because it's the only right way to do the roof and the workers are already there. Number 3, home inspectors can flag your home when it's time to sell. This is because home inspectors have an obligation to share with their clients that bathroom fans blowing into the attic is a real problem. This can cost you thousands of dollars in negotiation and can potentially even cost you the sale of the home. That's why at Lifetime Exteriors, we always vent the bathroom fans outside of the home that are accessible from the attic. If you'd like a free estimate on venting your bathrooms outside your home and/or a roof replacement estimate, feel free to contact us at the information below. Thanks so much for joining us.